Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping straight into the crypto market and giving you guys a quick update as to why this crypto market has gone up over 10% in the last 24 hours. We see AMP here at the top gainer list. In the last 24 hours, it's all the way up to 8 cents. We see Bitcoin now doing a 12.69% increase up past 38K. We see Ethereum above 2.3K, Cardano up 10%, Dogecoin up 12%, Polkadot up 10%, Bitcoin Cash up 12%, Uniswap up 12%, Chainlink with a massive increase of a 16.58% increase to $19.10. We also see VeChain up 20%, and we see Aave up 17.57%. So across the board, you can see things like Polygon as well, 18.75% of an increase in the last 24 hours. And there's great reasons as to why the crypto market is doing so well here in the last 24 hours. So let's jump straight into that. The first thing we're going to see is Amazon. Amazon to integrate Bitcoin payments and launch its own token by 2022. This would obviously be huge for crypto and the crypto market as a whole, and we see that really as a huge opportunity for the crypto market to grow and expand exponentially. We see that with Crypto Journey actually talking about it. If Amazon starts accepting crypto as payment, we are going parabolic. I wouldn't be surprised to see a multi-billion-dollar acquisition also. So this would be huge, and we are seeing, like I said, Amazon jumping into this, head first, it seems like, with obviously making a launch of their own token by 2022 as well, if the rumors are true. So the rumors that Amazon might be dabbing into Bitcoin and crypto payments are strengthening. The e-commerce titan is looking for a digital currency and blockchain product lead, according to a job posting on their website. As Bitcoinist reported, Amazon wants someone with the capacity to innovate within the payments and financial system and will be a part of their payments acceptance and experience team. In collaboration with other departments, the crypto product lead would need to use their experience with Bitcoin, blockchain, and distributed ledger technology, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, to create a strategy and vision. Thus, Amazon would gain leadership buy-in for these capabilities. The job post reference services, customer experience, and a complete technical strategy to support the project. So this would be absolutely huge, and Bitcoin key for crypto payments on Amazon will then integrate ADA and Ethereum. Obviously, I do believe it will begin with Bitcoin and then move on from there, but you see that actually right here. I didn't even read this yet. It begins with Bitcoin. This is the key first stage of this crypto project, and really the directive, it is coming from the very top. So Ethereum, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash will be next in line before they bring about 8 of the most popular cryptocurrencies online. It won't take long because the plans are already out there and they have been working on them since 2019. So this is kind of crazy to hear. Obviously, it was from a insider that confirmed this, but we don't have obviously 100% confirmation that this is taking place or happening. This is just from a random insider that did kind of spill the beans here, but this is definitely a big thing for the crypto market. Let's talk a little bit about this as well. So Tether executives facing criminal bank fraud charges. Due to this report here, the U.S. Department of Justice is investigating Tether for a possible offense conducted years ago. So if you go down here a little bit, they talk a little bit more into it. The U.S. Department of Justice investigating Tether for a possible offense conducted years ago. And, Tether and its sister exchange Phemex settled an investigation by the New York Attorney General's Office, NYAG, into whether the stablecoin issuer was covering up the loss of nearly $1 billion in customer funds earlier this year. So just crazy to continue to see that story develop. But let's jump into the South Korean eco-friendly toilet turns poop into power and digital currency. So this was very, very interesting actually to see as well. It's definitely an interesting kind of concept, interesting technology continuing to, show and, come out as BVI, an eco-friendly toilet utilizes human excrement to create electricity to generate power, was invented by a professor at South Korea's Ulsan National Institute of Science and Technology. So it's just cool to see this actually come out. I'm not going to read too much into it, but you guys can probably get the picture from there. We go to the next one. We see Bitcoin tops 39,000 for the first time in nearly 6 weeks. So this surge is being talked about worldwide right now. Obviously, CNBC, CNN, Fox News, every single news station is talking about it, and we see that here, in this post as well, talking about that Bitcoin topping 39K for the first time in nearly 6 weeks. Jumping into the next one, we see Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum are suddenly having another great week. Here we have it on CNN, like I said, and talking more about Elon Musk and his tweets as well. We jump into the next article, and it talks about in Singapore, 93% of people have heard of cryptocurrency. 66% of the young own some, and more plan on buying, thanks to the nation's pro-crypto stance, a survey finds. So 2/3 of young Singaporeans use crypto, while 93% of locals know of it. In the U.S., only 6% of all adults invest in Bitcoin. So a payment law that came into effect in January set out Singapore's crypto licensing requirements. So most Singaporeans are positive on cryptocurrencies regardless of age, but it is the country's younger population that is adopting digital coins en masse. Thanks to pro-crypto regulation, according to a survey by Australia's Solana, a consumer insights provider. So this is kind of crazy to see this taking place. Obviously, more mass adoption around the globe. 93% of people have heard of cryptocurrency in Singapore. That's not even near the rate or the percentage here in the U.S., in my opinion, or in my belief at the very least. Let's jump into the next one. So nearly 1 billion BTC shorts liquidated today amid Amazon rumors. So this is one thing to note, guys. Rumors can pop up and ruin your day if you are a shorter or long-termer based on futures, and trying to predict the future by putting all of your money on the line is a very, very dangerous strategy, because like I said, all it takes is something like Amazon to say they're doing it, and then to hear that they're not doing it, and it goes up, down, up, down, up, down very, very quickly, and a mass amount of money is lost and gained at the same time. So do understand that liquidation does happen, does occur. So make sure to try to be very, very careful if you are trying to do futures or anything with, leverage at the very least. So let's jump back into the cryptocurrency prices right now. We are still seeing a 10.03% increase. Bitcoin really hasn't moved too much here in the last hour, but, a lot of positivity coming out of the crypto market and the crypto space right now. I've seen Twitter, everyone's lighting up, happy. This is one thing to note, guys. Just 24 hours ago, we were still in that fear, that the idea of FUD, the idea of manipulation, doubt. And now, obviously, we're seeing a lot of FOMO take place. So do be careful about investing. If you didn't invest, 24 hours ago, investing now might not even be that great of an idea. It's just one of those things where if you're not investing at that low number, you're probably not willing to take risks, and you're still seeing a massive amount of risk investing in the market at this point in time right now. So I will say, guys, realistically, you should always do your own own due diligence, do your own research, because I am not a financial advisor. So always do, like I said, your own research. I will say as well, we are getting closer to 100K subscribers. If you guys want to stay up to date with crypto and obviously any big news that does occur in the crypto market as it continues to move forward or downward, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I really do appreciate you guys all pushing me closer and closer to that 100K mark. We will probably now make a video on Cardano and VeChain to follow, and maybe even jump into Chainlink and some other coins. So make sure, like I said, to continue to watch the rest of the day as we talk about individual coins. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you guys all in the next one.